Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 4 minus 6 parenthesis 4 minus 6. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication here and one parenthesis. So according to the rule we solve parenthesis. So they give us 4 minus 6 inside of the parenthesis. 4 minus 6 they give us minus 2, and here multiplication minus 2. Now according to the rule, first we solve multiplication, then we solve subtraction. So 4 minus 6 multiply by minus 2. So minus 6 times 2 they give us 12. Minus into minus they give us 4, and minus into minus they give us plus. 6 times 2 they give us 12. And no addition, so 4 minus 12 they give us 16. So the final answer is 16. Thanks for watching.